Greetings, my name is Broadheader, and this short tutorial is about all of you guys out there that have that own a Smith&Wesson 1.0 version of the MMP and want to buy or want to shoot it inside the micro conversion kit made for the Smith&Wesson 2.0 version. So this one I bought from the guys from www.redrock.eu.com, and they sent me the MCK for the Smith&Wesson 2.0 version, and trust me, it's 99% the same. The only difference, the 1% of difference, is the back closing plate over here. So this little thing over here makes it impossible. If you have the 2.0 version, will make it impossible for you to shoot the gun inside the MCK, simply because the original 2.0 backplate has the plastic over here is way far, is pushed out to the edge, so the gun itself doesn't have this elongated this extension over here above the grip. So without it, it can shoot very well. You can fit it inside the MCK. If you have the 1.0 version like I do, this extension over here prevents the gun from working properly, from fitting the micro conversion kit made for the 2.0 Smith&Wesson. So all you have to do is change the back plate. Many of you guys have asked me on Instagram and on Facebook, where can I find the back plate? Well, my friends, first of all, you should ask the producer, the CAA, if you live in the United States or worldwide. And if you live in Europe, anywhere in Europe, you should contact the guys from REDROCK.eu.com. I'll add a link in the description with the REDROCK.eu.com site, and you'll find their email over there. You can email them and ask them if they can sell you, if they have it in stock, if they can give you the 1.0 back closing plate for the Smith&Wesson 1.0 version. If not, I'm sure they'll order it from the United States, and they'll send it, they'll ship it over to you as soon as it arrives. From Romania, I'm not from Russia, I'm from Romania. All I can say is thank you for watching. Hope this was useful to you, and numai bine, Doamne ajută, salut!